for the X, looking for the X, CQ the X. 30 Charlie Alpha Tango 314. 30 Charlie Alpha Tango 314. Barcelona calling.
Barcelona, copy on 20. Division, do you copy 13 Charlie November 146?
QRZ, station calling, DJI 30 Charlie Alpha Tango 314. Repeat, 30 Charlie Alpha Tango 314. Barcelona standby.
Okay. 314, this is 13 Charlie November 146 in West Germany. 13 Charlie November 146. The name is Tom. The name is Tom Tango Oscar Mike, and I'm located 50 kilometers west of the city of Cologne. Mike, back to you.
Copy 13 Charlie November 146 Tom in Cologne, okay, in Germany. DJI 30 Charlie Alpha Tango 314. My operator name is Jordi, like Juliet Oscar Romeo Delta India. My QTH location is 45 kilometers south of Barcelona in the Mediterranean Sea. Back to you, Tom.
Yes, Ollie, this is 100%. Yeah, I'm located around about 50 kilometers west of the city of Cologne, of the big city in Germany with the big cathedral. Yes, and your signal report, 59 plus. Very good. Mike, back to you.
Yes, many thanks for my signal report. Your signal report is 910 dBs, good radio. Local signal, local radio, QSL Tom, 13 Charlie November 146, 30 Charlie Alpha Tango 314.
Yeah, your signal report is going up and down a little bit. The propagation, I think, is going down now, but it's still workable. Your plus. Very good. Okay, Zordi. Yeah, I've got very much local to Mexico here on the frequency, thanks to PLC, and yeah, so I say 73 and goodbye to you.
Danke schön, auf Wiedersehen for the nice contact, Tom, 73.